Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to the series of lessons for the preparation of IELTS B1, Life Skills Speaking and Listening Test, Language Cert, Secure English Language Test, Spoken Level B1. Now, B1 is the intermediate level of English that stands for 4 bands in IELTS. Here is a list of 60 important exam topics. If you prepare these topics, your success is guaranteed. Let's prepare topic number 2 from this list of important exam topics. If you have not seen the first video, how to introduce yourself and what are the 4 most important questions that your examiner will ask you for this test. Here's a link to the video. You can click here and get to watch it. Let's move to our next topic, that is family. In this video, I'm going to tell you, if you have to question someone, how would you question? If the examiner will give you this topic for a 90-second speech, then how would you talk about this topic for 90 seconds? So on this side, I'm going to mention questions. On this side, I will be giving you points how to talk for 90 seconds, because sometimes 90 seconds could be a lot for people, right? So let's start. The examiner can ask you, Candidate A and Candidate B find out from each other about each other's family. What are the questions that you can ask the other candidate? Question 1. How many members of the family have you got? Or how many members of the family do you have? Who is your favorite member of the family? Do you like to spend time with your family? What activities do you enjoy doing with your family? Do you think family is important? Can you share your personal experiences with your family? How much time do you like to spend with your family? What's your favorite meal of the day that you like to eat with your family? All these questions you can ask the other candidate. Now, let's talk about the 90-second speech round. If you have to talk about your favorite person in your family, how would you talk for 90 seconds without stopping? Let's try. Number 1, you will choose who is your favorite person in the family. Number 2, you will talk about their name, their age, your relationship with them, and then you will talk about the activities that you enjoy doing with that person. You can also tell what is special about that person. You can talk about their personality. Last but not the least, you can mention how important that person is for you. Let me give you an example here quickly. For example, I want to say the most important person in my family is my mother. She's my favorite member of the family. She is 60 years old and she loves to cook food. She's a great cook and we love to go out together and we spend a lot of time together on weekends. I like to buy gifts for my mother, and most of the times we go to our favorite cafeteria to have coffee. That's our favorite drink. We like to buy clothes. My mother is very gentle, humble, polite, and very kind. She takes care of the entire family and she supports everyone. She does a lot of hard work to make us feel better. Most importantly, she does so much in a way, and she never tells that she's tired. I love so many things about my mother. Most importantly, I would like to tell that I cannot live without my mother. She's the most important person in my life. You can mention all these points in your speech. You can talk about your husband, you can talk about your father, you can talk about your siblings, you can talk even about your children as your favorite members of the family. Yes, I forgot one point. You can mention, what do they do? Is your father a doctor, an engineer, or he's working? He is a shopkeeper. Talk about their profession. If your mother is a housewife, talk about the activities that you enjoy doing together. And if you're going to talk about your children, then talk about activities you like to do with them, in which grade do they study, and how much time do you spend with them, and how ambitious you are to see them successful in the future. How much time do you spend with them? I hope you learned something from this topic. I will see you next time with our next topic. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more.